Hello, all you autism peeps out there. My name is Tommy, and guys, we are going to be doing another tutorial today, guys. We are doing how to do things in Premiere Pro. Yes or shit, I don't know. Today, we'll be learning how to do keyframing today, and keyframing, though, is an essential part of Axie animation that I use everywhere. Let's do an example right here, though. This is an object in my hand right here. This is an object. And then it suddenly moves. That's a keyframe. So I want to teach you little fuckers how to actually do a keyframe. Sorry, no. All right, we're in Premiere Pro right now though. It's called Keyframers. Get it? Now fucking kill me. So yeah, we set up a composition though. We actually set up a text animation though. This is also where the type tool's at. Okay, we kind of use a little bit of a text animation. You can use actually any form of media for this keyframe because keyframe is everywhere though. Hold on. All right, the first thing we can actually do though is actually come up over here to effects control, sorry. So yeah, if you see this button right here though, this is actually the keyframe button though. We can actually push it right here and whoa, something happens, it turns blue. Well, if you see right here, oh, there it is, there we go. If you see right here, it actually made like a little bit of a keyframe right here. This is it, this is the keyframe right here. So how do we actually make it move? Like move the text, just kind of like zooming in just a little bit though, to my face. Move a couple of frames, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's pretty much good. You can use like anything though. And then you can actually scale up just a little bit and something happens. Look at that. It actually moved. That is a keyframe. But yeah, that is the keyframe, everybody though. That's like a very simple keyframe that you guys can use. You can use this for like media, you use like maybe title animations. This is a lot of like After Effects is used for our Premiere Pro. So let's actually see if you want to make this actually longer because it's too short. Well, what you can do is actually move it right here to your placeholder, and there, boom, look at that. Let's say that you want to actually want to get rid of this text. Well, you actually can go to 0 right here and something happens. Look, boom, learning, get it? No? All right, so you may be wondering right now saying, Tommy, something's not right. I want this to actually be a bit more smoother. How can I do it? How can I do it? You stupid poopy head. How do I do? Okay, I'll teach you right now though. What you can actually do is actually, if you want to slow this down at the end, is actually go into right click it, right? Yeah, right click it. Sorry, I know my left and right now. So you can actually right click it, and all this stuff comes up. You can cut it out of here. Oh god. Also, this is how you can copy keyframe. So right here, copy right here, and maybe Control Paste or Control V. Oh, yeah, there we go. And boom, there we go. That's how you can actually actually copy keyframes. What we can do is actually go over here, right click it, and actually push the ease in, and something will happen. Let's pick it, and something will happen. Check it out. Look at that. It actually moves a little slower at the end. But you may be saying, Tommy, how can I slow it down a little bit more? It's not enough. Smoking some coke or something? Calm down, okay? We get it. You're stupid. So what we actually do is click the down arrow right here, and voila, we got these little graphs though. So these graphs will determine how fast or how slow the keyframe will be. So let's actually push this. Let's push it over here. This is a better option. Actually, you're gonna be pushing it a little down here, and something will happen. Check it out. See, look at that. It actually slowed down just a little bit more. Let's actually slow down just a little bit. Actually, right here is pretty good. Slow down just a little bit more. Boom, there we go. So yeah, that's pretty much cool though. To actually make it smoother, we're gonna actually push it to the left. Or if you want to make it unsmooth, you can push it to the right, or you can just, okay, I'm sorry. God, if you want to make it smoother, you can push it to the left. If you want to make it not smoother, push it to the right. All right, you may be wondering, Tommy, how do I make it actually smoother at the shit? Oh, okay. All right, everybody, we're almost done with this tutorial. I want to show you one more thing that might help you out. So you see right here, we actually got loading though. I actually kind of went off screen and actually made more keyframes though. This is another example. So I kind of made something like that though. But you may be wondering, Tommy, how do I actually make it so it actually slowed down when it's about to hit the corner of the screen? Well, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I got you covered, okay? Got you covered right there. You. So what we're gonna be doing now is select them at all, and actually to be going to Bezier. So remember what we told you about Bezier, kind of like, smoothing the keyframes out. Did we do that again? But you may be wondering though, saying, Tommy, it's still the same. You do stupid poopy head. God, you could actually be pulling these down here, pull it down, and pull this down too. And by selecting all these clips, check what happens. Boom! And I actually kind of made bad news. I actually don't really have any more batteries charged, so I'm kind of messed up in that department. But yeah, see what happens though is let me move this real quick. So you see right here is it actually kind of slows down when it actually hits the side of the screen. And that's pretty cool though. Let's say if we actually want to make it more smoother in the end. We can actually pull this right here. Okay, no. What you first have to do is actually deselect it and actually select this. And boom, there we go. See what happens? Another example is if you select all these keyframes, so each of the graphs will actually move together. See right here, you can actually make something like this though, and actually slows down the end or the start, and do like that, and do like that. Boom. So here's another example of another image that I pull up though. We can use keyframing on everything though. So yeah. Also another tip though is you can move the keyframe to the playhead, but just reminder is if you it's good to go slower, and if move it down, and could go moving faster. But yeah, you can do so much with keyframing in Premiere Pro though. That is so fun to use. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you guys learned something today. If not, then I'm gonna be very disappointed and sad. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, everybody. I want to say thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. Like, subscribe. Bye-bye. See you later. I hate you guys. I love you guys. I love you. God.